Another way that you can delay income potentially is if you, for example, are a creative person who gets grants, right? Some very generous grants do allow you to control the timing of when you receive the payment. With grant income in particular, which is taxable income, grant income, it is really important to, because of the tax year basis of when you pay taxes, it is terrible to receive a grant right at the end of the year before you have a chance to spend the money. Because, of course, any expense you have against that grant is not going to end up being something you pay tax on. And yet, if you receive a grant right by December 31st, right in the end of the year, and you haven't had the chance to then spend the money, you will owe taxes on the whole thing, which could be a much higher tax bill than you honestly are ultimately going to end up having. And so you'll get this uneven quality of a big income reported this year, big tax bill, and then next year you spend the money and you maybe even report a loss because the grant itself you reported in the prior tax year, not the current one. So to control grant income, it can be very wise to, if you have control over when they pay you the payment, it can be very wise and strategic to get your grant money at the beginning of the year. Because what that does is the moment that that money hits your bank account, it is reportable for taxes. And you want to be receiving that money the same year you plan to spend it, right? So the longer you have to spend it, the better you are from a tax position, okay?